Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to do Ask Me Anything on Snapchat. This way you will be able to put Ask Me Anything on your Snapchat story. So let's go back to the Play Store here. What we need to do is we need to open up and install Sendit. So Sendit is actually the application that will allow us to do just that. As you can see right here, we can pretty much start Ask Me Anything on Snapchat. Now, let's do that. So let's install it. Let's go here and let's open it here. And after you open this app, you will be actually able to, as you can see, you will be able to start and share this Ask Me Anything. So for example, if we go here, we can tap on Ask Me Anything, right? We can also change the fonts here. We can also change the dice. Dice is basically getting random answers here, or random questions, right? But this is pretty much it. So Ask Me Anything, and then we can click share. Obviously when you go first time in this app, you will need to just connect the Snapchat, but this is the way you will do it. Also, you can change the backgrounds, right? You can change the backgrounds. Let's say we want orange, we can do orange, right? And yeah, that's pretty much it. As you can see, click share, and then you will be able to share it on Snapchat. You can obviously put this up, right? And then you can click next, and then you can put it on your story. So that's basically it, right? And then people can send it pretty much questions, right? So this is basically how to do Ask Me Anything on Snapchat. It's really simple. If you have any questions, or if you're still not sure how to do something, then definitely comment down below and I'll make sure to answer your questions. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video tutorial. Thank you guys for watching.